In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trending games in Google Trends. We'll walk through the exact workflow to spot game topics that are getting attention right now and how to read the data so you can make smarter content or marketing decisions. Start by opening Google Trends. This is Google's free tool for measuring search interest, and it's great for understanding whether a game is gaining momentum or cooling off. Once you're on the homepage, click Explore. That takes you to the main dashboard where you can run searches and see results in real time. At the top, click into Add a Search Term. This is where you'll enter the game you want to investigate. Begin with a clear idea. For example, type Minecraft as your starting keyword. Now, set your filters so the results match your audience. Choose the country where your viewers or customers are based, and pick a date range that fits your goal. Last 30 days for fast-moving trends or 12 months for a broader pattern. By default, Google shows web search. Click that drop-down and switch to YouTube search. For games, YouTube is often a better signal of interest because that's where people look for gameplay, guides, and reviews. You'll now see interest over time. The scale runs from 0 to 100, where 100 represents the peak popularity for your selected time and place. Look for steady climbs, recurring spikes around updates, or dips that might signal waning interest. Short-term bumps can be news-driven. Sustained growth is a stronger indicator of an enduring trend. Just below, you'll notice the graph in more detail. Hover over points to read exact values and dates. Compare peaks to releases or events you know about, and watch for consistent higher lows over time. That often suggests momentum rather than random surges. Scroll further to find commonly searched queries related to your game. These reveal what people are pairing with your term, like mods, servers, or specific modes. They're excellent for planning content angles that match real demand. Next, review the top queries. These are the most consistently searched terms connected to your game. They help you identify evergreen topics that reliably bring interest. Then switch to rising queries. Here you'll spot what's accelerating right now. Pay special attention to items labeled breakout. Those are surging fast. Use rising to catch early waves and pair it with the interest over time graph to confirm whether a spike looks durable. That's it. With the Explore page, a focused search term, the right region and date, YouTube search selected, and a clear reading of interest trends plus top and rising queries, you can quickly identify which games and which angles are worth your time.